Let's look at how to use auto count with an estimation MEP. The first thing you'll do to generate the auto count pane is click on this tool that looks a lot like a duck bank. The auto count pane appears on the right-hand side. The next thing you'll do is click New Search. Now you have the ability to define the sample you'd like the program to look for. In this case, let's look at one of these 2x4s. I'm going to name the sample because once it's done here, I can search any page within my plan set. Naming it will help me know the difference between my various auto counts. This confidence level is the threshold for matches it's going to return to me. This will depend on the quality of your drawings and the quality of the sample. Typically 70% is a good place to start. This means anything that matches this sample 70% or better, I'll see as a possible result. Finally, rotation. Will this sample appear on its side, its head, and its other side? That's 90-degree rotations. Your other option is custom, and you can have it search at 5-degree increments. I send it to search. Now, the best part about auto count is that we don't have to sit here and wait for it. That means we can set up another auto count. We can continue with Takeoff on this page. We could leave this page. We could walk away from our desk. We could even close this window. Any way you turn it, that auto count will still run in the background. So we'll pick this up once the auto count is all done. All right, now that our auto count's done, I know it's finished because it's showing me a fraction. This says out of 104 samples it found, 104 fell into the confidence range I've selected. To review those results, I click on that fraction. This number is your confidence. You'll notice as I scroll down, that number gets lower and lower, and we're seeing some drawings that have, or some samples that have overlying obstructions. Another way to view those auto count search results is this button, Review on Drawing. This is great for pattern recognition. Now I can see quickly whether or not these look like they're in the right place, and I can also, with a single click, approve or deny those selections. If I'm done, I can go ahead and select Draw and Close. However, I do have the option to do one more search called a secondary search if I need to narrow down these search results at all. You'll see I do have a type A and a type B. So by selecting the magnifying glass, I can actually narrow down these results. Our program is only going to look within those original search results for the secondary search. It won't search the whole page again. You can see those secondary searches here under our original search. And you'll also see the option to repeat searches available. I can have auto count search for this sample on any other page within my plan set. Let's review those secondary search results. Type A, Draw and Close. Type B, Draw and Close. And now we're all set and our items are counted for us.